Hello there, in this video we are going to see how we can create a new team from an existing team in Microsoft Teams. This is a new feature that was released some days ago, and basically it simplifies the process of creating a team in Microsoft Teams using an existing team. So first of all, what we have to do is just click on join or create a team, then create a team button, and then we have the window for creating the team. As you can see here, we have a new option, create a team using an existing team as a template. So we can click over here, and then we are asked to choose what is the team we want to use as template. In my case, I'm going to choose the first one, and then I click on choose team. And as you can see here, you have the copy options. Basically, the default options are channels, team settings, apps. But additionally, you can also check tabs options and the members, what means that you are going to copy in the configuration of the new team any tab you have in your channels and also the members of the team. So for instance, let's assume we are going to name this team SharePoint support, SharePoint Online, and then we have to press on create just to create the team. The process is going to be quite straightforward. As you can see here, the team is already created with the 3 channels, and then I have the option to add additional members to the team. For now, I'm not going to do that since I already have the 3 members I wanted to have in my new team. So I can press on skip, and then what I had to do is just to review that everything in the new team is configured as expected. So this is my source team, and as you can see here, I have 3 channels: general, articles, and sponsors. I have the same 3 channels in the new team created. If I go to the source team and I click on manage team, I have 3 members. The same is going to happen in the new team. I have 3 members, the same owner and the same team members. If I go to the specific channels in the source uh, team, I see I have a YouTube channel tab in this channel, in the articles channels. And if I click on sponsors, I have a poly tab, what means that I'm using the poly bot. If I go to the new team, I can see that on articles channel, I have just the same tab. One thing I'm seeing with this new option to create a team for an existing one is that any tab that is added that was added in the source team needs to be reconfigured. So I have to click on setup tab, and then as you can see here, I'm missing the YouTube URL I have in my source team. So I think there is a room of improvement over here, because it's true that I have the YouTube tab, but it's not configured as it is in the source team. Same happens if I go to the sponsors channel and I click on the poly tab, and as you can see here, it's asking again me to set up the tab. So I can click on set up the tab. In this case, it's quite straightforward because I'm going to use a poly as a bot in my channel. So I can click on save, and I'm done, because as you can see here, you are seeing the summary of the usage you are doing of the poly bot. But you can go to conversations, and then you can start talking to poly. Um, so for instance, I can, yeah. Um, so I'm asking something just to Polly, so the bot can create a survey. Let's see if it's going to work. Yeah, here we are. So we have our survey. So every one that any team member that is accessing to the sponsors channel can answer the survey. For instance, I'm going to choose Madrid in this case. So I have both these options in the survey, and I can click on poll tab. And as you can see here, I have one poll created, one poll author, and yeah, I can see first results in my survey. So we are done. I mean, this is the end of this video where we have reviewed the process of creating a new team for an existing one. We have seen um, some of the weak points of this process because, as you see, while it's true that the creation process from the creation process is going good in terms of copying everything from the source team to the destination team, we are seeing that, for instance, in regards of tabs, they are not configured. So you need to manually do this process again in the new team. So I hope you have found this video interesting, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.